Starting around the 20th of April 2023, STEPN is exchanging at 37 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, GMT most certainly hasn't in every way that really matters. Complete market cap of $219,774,470 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $45,356,086, or so they especially thought. This really makes STEPN lovely positioning at 151 in the digital currency market, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023. What will STEPN for the most part be exceptionally worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? Is STEPN an especially wise speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought? Will GMT cost for the most part outperform its untouched high? These truly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, which sort of is very huge. STEPN value forecast 2023, or so they basically thought. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the GMT cost especially is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of 49 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to truly be 47 cents, or so they generally thought. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 56 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. GMT value estimate April 2023. The STEPN gauge for April 2023 expects that the GMT may arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 41 cents with a by and large lease cost of around 36 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the exceptionally normal value, GMT can explicitly stretch around 39 cents for April in a quite huge manner. STEPN value expectation May 2023. STEPN cost explicitly is supposed to truly reach between 39 cents to 42 cents in May 2023, while the typical cost of GMT for the May basically remains around 41 cents. STEPN value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of STEPN especially is supposed to basically be at around a very least of 40 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. STEPN cost can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of 44 cents with the by and large normal cost of 42 cents in USD in a genuinely significant way. STEPN value expectation July 2023. Concerning July 2023, STEPN cost explicitly is estimate to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of the least cost of 41 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 46 cents with the genuinely normal expected cost around 43 cents, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of STEPN truly is supposed to truly be at around at least 42 cents, which essentially is very critical. STEPN cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of 48 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 44 cents in USD, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of STEPN certainly is really anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of 44 cents, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of 50 cents and an extremely least of 43 cents. Further appearance, how sort of is STEPN a for the most part wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? STEPN value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of STEPN in every practical sense is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at a typical cost of 46 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 52 cents and a kind of least of 45 cents, or so they truly thought. STEPN value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large most extreme cost for STEPN could stretch around 54 cents, which certainly demonstrates the way that STEPN cost can arrive at an exceptionally limit of 48 cents with the typical cost of 44 cents in USD, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of GMT in November 2023 fundamentally is 46 cents with a genuinely normal cost of 47 cents. GMT value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of STEPN basically is gauged to for the most part be at around a truly least worth of 47 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The STEPN value worth can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 56 cents with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 49 cents in USD, which especially is genuinely critical. STEPN kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been explicitly diminished by 3.88% in its certainly current worth in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that we by and large look at the fundamentally current market cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an exceptionally enormous manner. STEPN basically is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins and in every way that really matters, large way. The GMT by and large is down to nearly 5.95% over the most recent 7 days. So STEPN value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of typical cost of 46 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 52 cents and a sort of least of 45 cents, which is very critical. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past kind of couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have major areas of strength for pretty in any case. We don't in every practical sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, or so they explicitly thought. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT basically diminished by 21.850%, killing an incredible really normal amount of 10 cents from its especially current worth, which generally is genuinely huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at this moment, implying that it tends to be a by and large great basically purchase an open door for extremely speedy venture, showing how might GMT cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change generally is around 20.47%, and the cost fundamentally circled from an essentially least in every practical sense normal cost of 28 cents to most extreme exceptionally normal cost of 29 cents in the in every way that really matters recent days, showing how this essentially makes STEPN sort of positioning at 151 in the digital money market, or so they in every way that really matters thought. STEPN for the most part is somewhere near 3.76%, with the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin by and large was around 38 cents and the sort of least exceptionally normal cost of certainly was around 37 cents in beyond 4 months in a kind of huge manner. What will especially be STEPN especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The GMT cost especially is going to essentially arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 56 cents with genuinely least cost of 47 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing that explicitly is STEPN a fundamentally wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 and in every practical sense significant way. Does STEPN basically have a future, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? As far as value, STEPN in every practical sense has an exceptional in every way that really matters potential to arrive at new levels, showing how STEPN truly passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been in every practical sense diminished by 3.88% in its certainly current worth in an extremely huge manner. It is estimate that GMT will increment in esteem, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking, as indicated by commonly unambiguous specialists and business experts. STEPN can in every practical sense hit the scarcely the most exorbitant cost of